In this video, we will see how to use the dimension tool. So TSL has a dimension tool which finds multiple uses. So I'll show you each of the case one by one. I'll take my dimension tool and I can use it to actually see the distance between two obstacles or any two things on this particular route. For example, if I want to see the distance of this particular obstacle from the parapet, I can do that. Now it is telling me that it is 7.978. Also, I can use the dimension tool to change the position of one obstacle with respect to other. For that, I'll take the dimension tool. I'll mark this using the dimension tool, and if I know that this is 2.5 instead of 2.055, I can just type in that value. And once I enter it, you'll see that the obstacles move. I can also make an obstacle completely move with respect to the parapet. For that, I'll again take my dimension and trace it. So here I see it's 5.5 to 3 accordingly, according to the dimensions which are there right now. So I can change it. So if it is 6, I can type in 6 and once I enter it, it will move. Similarly, I can make a table move with respect to another table. I'll choose my dimension tool. Right now it's 2.399. I want it at 2.5 meters. So I can change that value as well. Right. So you can see a green arrow over here. So this is basically the direction in which the movement will take place. So I have a toggle option as well. So if I want these panels, that is this table to move instead of this one, I can do that also. I'll show you. I'll toggle this. Now the arrow has turned green this side. Now if I want to make it 3, I'll just type in 3 and enter it. So you'll see that this table moves. So these are the various use cases of dimension tool. Thank you.